It is often difficult to diagnose ovarian cancer in its early stages because the symptoms are similar to those of other conditions. Anyone who experiences unexplained abdominal symptoms that last for more than 2 weeks should see a doctor. Ovarian cancer can also be challenging to detect early because the ovaries are small and located deep in the abdomen, making any growths that might be on them hard for a doctor to feel. What are the early signs of ovarian cancer? Ovarian cancer does not cause any noticeable symptoms in the early stages. The symptoms most associated with the ovarian cancer tend to develop in the later stages of the condition, as growths put pressure on the bladder, uterus, and rectum. However, these symptoms of ovarian cancer can develop at any stage of the condition and include bloating, pelvic or abdominal pain or cramping, feeling full quickly after starting to eat or lack of appetite, indigestion or upset stomach, nausea, the need to urinate more frequently or urgently than normal, a pressure in the lower back or pelvis, unexplained exhaustion, back pain, constipation, increased abdominal girth or abdominal swelling, painful sex, menstrual changes, and weight loss. These symptoms can be due to a variety of other conditions, which will often respond to basic treatment or go away on their own. However, if these symptoms develop suddenly and persist or continue more daily regardless of basic treatment, see your doctor for a diagnosis, as they might be symptoms of ovarian cancer. When to see a doctor? Because it is difficult to diagnose ovarian cancer at an early stage, most health authorities suggest that the best way to help reduce the chances of developing more advanced stages of ovarian cancer is by taking a positive, proactive approach to the disease. Signs can include any unexplained symptoms of ovarian cancer or any new abdominal pelvic symptoms that are unrelated to another diagnosed condition. Do not respond to basic treatment, for example back pain that does not go away with rest and icing, or indigestion that does not improve with diet changes and exercises. Last for more than 2 weeks, occurs for more than 12 days a month. Let's talk about some of the risk factors of ovarian cancer. Risk factors that may make some people more likely to develop ovarian cancer than others include a family history of breast, ovarian, or uterine cancer, having the BRCA1 and BRCA2 gene, having Lynch syndrome, never being pregnant, obesity, some fertility and hormone medications, endometriosis, age. Most cases develop after menopause. People with a family history of reproductive or gastrointestinal cancers should talk with their doctor or gynecologist about undergoing genetic counseling to test whether they carry a specific gene mutation that may increase their risk of ovarian cancer. Because symptoms of ovarian cancer have similarities to many other usually less dangerous conditions, many women overlook the signs. Because the ovaries are located deep in the body, it is almost impossible even for doctors to feel small growth in organs. Anyone who has unexplained pelvic or abdominal symptoms that are severe, last for more than 2 weeks, or do not go away with primary care should talk with their doctors as soon as possible. It is also a good idea for those who have a strong family history of breast, ovarian, uterine, or colon cancer to talk to their doctors about undergoing genetic counseling.